Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Kushi Yogalaya. Today we are learning a standing yoga posture known as Prasarita Padottanasana. Prasarita Padottanasana is a series of four postures known as Prasarita Padottanasana A, B, C and D. The meaning of Prasarita Padottanasana is Prasarita means wide leg or spread, Pada is feet, Uttana is intense stretch and Asana is posture. So Kushi is demonstrating all the series of Prasarita Padottanasana. So we'll start with Prasarita Padottanasana A. First stand in Tadasana, take few deep breaths. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Spread your legs 3 to 3.5 feet wider. Place your palms between your feet, shoulder width distance, and bend as much as possible. And if you are flexible like Kushi, you can take crown of your head down on the mat. Stay there. 20 counts. Now slowly come up. That was Prasarita Padottanasana A. Now we shall try B. Place your hands on the waist. Look up, inhale. Exhale and bend. Now stay there, breathe deeper. Same 20 counts or 20 seconds. Come up, relax. Now we'll try Prasarita Padottanasana C. Interlock your fingers behind the waist. Look up, inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Stay there and stretch your arms. Kushi is flexible, she can take the hands close to the floor. You can extend your hands as much as possible. Come up. We'll try the last one. Prasarita Padottanasana D. Again, bend forward. Hold the big toe with your middle finger, forefinger and thumb. And if you are flexible, crown of your head down on the mat. Stretch and breathe. Now slowly release the posture, come up. Come back to Tadasana. Relax.